Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dewdear Academy. Today I have come up with a smart study topic, and it is important to learn for all exams in nursing, that is layers of scalp. You can study these layers of scalp with mnemonic. It is very important to study before all the competitive nursing exams. So let me continue with this topic. Before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and also you can give your comments in the comment box, and also you all like the channel. So let me continue the layers of scalp with mnemonic SCALP, scalp as a mnemonic. So what does S indicates? S is indicating skin. First layer is skin, then C is indicating connective tissue. Connective tissue. A is aponeurosis or Gallia aponeurotica. A is indicating the term aponeurosis. Then L is indicating loose areolar tissue, and P is indicating pericranium. So these layers, the layers of this indicate skin, connective tissue, aponeurosis, loose areolar tissue, and pericranium. These are the layers of scalp. We can study this with the mnemonic scalp, SCALP. So thank you.